Hi everyone, Miss Craig here. Just wanted to show you how you can get your child a Zoom account so that they can have their little video backgrounds and filters. You click where it says sign up, it's free. Right here at zoom.us is the website you'll want to go to. So you just click sign up, it's free. It really is free. And then here you would just put in your birthday. Then once you put in your birthday, it comes to this screen which says to enter your email address. So here's where you would put your student's email address. Most of them are first name and then their last name at ebcacademy.com. And then you just click sign up after you put in their email address. Click sign up and then it will send you an email. So then you would have to go to their email to do the next step. So then once you go to your child's email account, it will have an email from Zoom. You will open it up. It will look like this and it'll tell you to activate the account. You simply click here to activate their account and then they will have access to a Zoom account, which will enable them to have filters and backgrounds, which they all want so desperately. So you just click activate account. And then here is where you would type your child's first name, type your child's last name, and then here you could create a password that you guys know you will remember, or you could always use their either email password is what I use to make it easy. So you could just put their password, you confirm their password, and then you just click continue. And then there you go. They have their account. So now when your child is in sorry, it says I'm muted. Let me unmute. So now when your child is in a Zoom meeting for school and they have all the pictures of their little friends here and their teacher, they'll be able to choose a filter. So all they'll do is when they're in their Zoom, they click this little caret or little triangle right here, and then they just click choose video filter and it will open up. And there's Miss Craig. And then here it will have all sorts of different video filters that the kids can choose that they enjoy. Wearing a Oculus, I can be, Zorro. The kids can put on glasses. They can put flowers on their heads. And this is something that we allow. You can be a pirate. This is something that we only allow for Fun Friday. So if it's not a Fun Friday, they need to have it where it says none in order to turn it off. And then they simply click right here to close it to go back to their main screen with all their little friends here. So that is how they can create a Zoom account and use it to have video filters.